Today, diagnostics is a prioritized activity. It is used in sports, the military, medicine, and in many other areas. To determine the state of human health, blood diagnostics are used. If we draw an analogy with transformers, then insulating oil is a transformer's blood, which can be sampled to determine the condition of the system. This is especially relevant for transformers that have been in operation for more than 20 years, as well as special transformers operating under heavy loads. Traction, mining, ship, electrical furnace, and others. In order for the diagnostics to be effective, it must be continuous and include identification of all peaks and minimums of important parameters to identify sharp deterioration in the condition of the oil, which may require urgent action. This is the Transformer Oil Stream Controller, or TOR for short, a new addition to the transformer maintenance equipment market. The system is installed near the transformer and connected by one operator with quick couplings in just a few minutes, after which you can remotely monitor the oil condition 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. Even if the transformer is insured, the connection of the TOR system will not affect the warranty in any way, since it is done through the service connections without violating the structure or interfering with the operation of the transformer. In monitoring mode, the TOR system uses sensors to measure the oil temperature and water activity once a minute. These data are transmitted via the internet to a cloud server, where they are used to calculate the moisture content and the electric strength of the oil, the water content and solid insulation, and the oil quality index. The quality index indicates the overall condition of the oil and its suitability for use. Due to the advanced calculation algorithms, the number of information parameters available in the TOR system is greater than the number of sensors installed. All measurements and calculation results are displayed on a password-protected web page. The number of potential users is not limited. The system is additionally protected from unauthorized access by encryption, so that no third party can have access to the information. This is convenient. We completely abandon laboratory analysis, save money, and always know the condition of the oil. But if its parameters deteriorate, you still need to tend to the transformer. This task is also addressed by the TOR system when the moisture content and quality index of the oil deterioration reaches a certain level. Filtration and drying are automatically engaged and last until the amount of moisture in the oil is back to normal, after which these functions disengage automatically. The drying occurs by pumping the oil through 3 cartridges, each containing 15 kilograms of sorbent, while solid impurities are removed using a 10-micron filter. The flow rate is 30 liters per hour, and the oil is processed without shutting down the transformer at any time of day in any weather conditions, with or without the presence of service personnel. Now about the advantages of the TOR system. It has a modern design and consists of the minimum required number of components: sensors, controllers, sorbent cartridges, pumps, and valves. All components are housed in a sealed case 115 centimeters wide, 208 centimeters high, and 35 centimeters long. The housing rating is IP54. The sensors are reliably protected from damage and atmospheric precipitation, so the service life of the system is comparable to the service life of the transformer. Data visualization is user-friendly. The web page displays a list of substations and transformers for each substation. The software also includes the display of transformers on a map with the presentation of measurements and calculations in the form of graphs and diagrams. By choosing an object, you get complete information about the state of the oil for either the entire time since the installation of the TOR system at that transformer, or a selected period of time. Even while on vacation, the head of the electricity company or an employee of the service department can log into the system from anywhere and check the status of the transformer fleet without waiting for laboratory test results and without having to go on site. Due to the continuous data acquisition, it is possible to evaluate the trends in the transformer oil, which makes the TOR system more informative in comparison with periodic analysis. And even if for some reason the internet connection is interrupted, not a single measurement is lost. All data is saved and transmitted to the server as a package when the connection is restored. The TOR system is suitable for servicing both new and aging transformers. In the former case, we extend the service life of the transformer by timely processing of the oil and preventing failures. While in the latter case, we can determine when it is necessary to repair or stop the equipment according to the dynamics of oil aging. These are the features of the basic TOR model. But if desired, the functionality of the equipment can be expanded further. Sorbent drying does not affect the gas content of the oil, and the system software allows the installation of additional sensors for the analysis of dissolved gases, for example, hydrogen, when periodic drying and filtration are not sufficient to keep the oil in good condition. The TOR system is additionally equipped with a TSS module. The TSS system allows you to connect powerful degassing and regeneration machines to the transformer in a matter of minutes, after which the TSS monitors the oil level in the transformer. This allows degassing operations without shutting down the transformer. As an option, oil purification can be engaged or disengaged by the operator on a running transformer. This is done remotely using a computer, a tablet, or even a phone. Thus, GlobeCore TOR system increases the time before transformer servicing. It is sufficient to install the system in the transformer once and change the sorbent occasionally. The TOR system will automatically signal the need for sorbent replacement. The costs of new transformers and the losses from catastrophic failures of transformers reach into hundreds of thousands and millions of dollars. The cost of the TOR system, on the other hand, is only a small fraction of such expenses, making the purchase and use of this system a profitable investment. What other parameters, in your opinion, are important to keep under control during the life cycle of transformers? Leave your answers in the comments. More information can be found on our website at www.globecore.com.